How to flip image in Picsart. Need to reverse your image quickly? Here's how to flip an image in Picsart. First, load your photo and go to the Tools section. Click on Flip or Rotate. You can pick either the horizontal flip or vertical flip option. You'll see the image instantly reverse in your chosen direction. If you are editing multiple layers, make sure you select the correct one before flipping. When happy, press apply and save your flipped image. Do you flip selfies before posting? Let us know in the comments below. Use horizontal flip to correct text or logo orientation if it appears backward. And that's how you can flip image in Picsart. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.